Okay, I'm headed out to do something I've wanted to do for a while, and that is pick up trash. In between my house and my favorite trail, it's called the Jordan River Trail, there's a bunch of trash. And I don't appreciate that. So, I'm gonna go clean it up. Because if not me, then who? And if not now, then when? You know, the sad part is, I feel like a lot of this neighborhood was built in the last year. And I feel like a lot of this trash is from the builders who are working for the developers. And it really shows that these developers don't care about the community at all. They just come in, build, extract resources, and leave. Like, the least you can do is clean up the neighborhood, you know? Also, don't leave incriminating trash out on the trail for the cops or for your wife. Yellow Lego logo, I could. While I'm picking up trash, I'm also dreaming about what kind of little trail I can build. It's not interesting. First day of trash pickup, really I've done in years. Learned a fair bit. Need to get a bigger trash can, stronger gripper, and keep doing it. It feels good. Just do something mindless that improves the quality of the place you live. Okay, so I've been to Home Depot. Better trash pickup tools.
Go off, please.
This is 20 gallons as opposed to 5, like the bucket. Alright. Got my new grabber. Got my new trash can. Never been more excited for a trash can. Ever. It's like in between really cold, or being cold and being warm. But I'm gonna keep going down this path. Got my new grabber, new bin. I should've got. Alright, this is my new trash can. Sweet Streets, My Sticker, The War on Cars, Relevate Divines, Cadence, Tannis Armor, OPAT Movement, Brandon Scales, Kuat, Roca, Rock Shocks, Mel, Take a Trip, Edson Steelcraft, Talking Fly, Specialized, Sweet Streets, Unplugged, Patagonia, Steady Rack, Outdoor Research, Fishkey Designs, Pedal to Paddle, Minnesota, Wisconsin Trip, another OPAT, Timeless California, Kuat, and that's all on an Omnium Minimax. This is the trash. This is the dump truck. This is the dump truck. Anyway, I think this is probably a good place to end this video. Because I think I need to get back to my house because it feels like the storm behind me is actually starting to roll in. So, yeah. Like I said yesterday, this might seem altruistic. I just want to make people get out and love on the places that they live. It instills pride when you, again, like use these trails and see them not full of trash, because it did bother me before. So it'll make me feel good. Fully get that it seems altruistic to be filming a trash pickup. Again, I want to just like inspire you to do it, but also document how much trash has been cleaned up. Anyway, hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.